Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW Roman 9 hood only ways. Pull the interior hood release lever located under the dashboard, then walk to the front and release the secondary latch under the grille, lift the hood with a firm, steady motion, and secure the hood prop if present. Inspect the underside catch and weather stripping for obstacles before closing. Wear gloves and keep fingers clear of hinges for safety. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the driver's door and locate the hood release. Pull firmly and wait for the hood to pop slightly, then move to the front, feel for the secondary latch under the center of the grille, push it to the side or upward and lift the hood steadily until it stays open. Always prop it securely or use the built-in strut. Quick recommendation: if you like practical gear and money sense, check out the book I mentioned, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs surprising financial clarity with simple habits. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Also, a calm mind helps when releasing stubborn latches. Now let's get back to the video. To close, lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from the latch, then let it drop from about 6 inches to engage the catch, and press down firmly to ensure it seats. If the hood fails to latch, check the secondary catch for obstruction and verify the release cable moves smoothly. Lubricate with suitable spray and adjust cable tension if needed, then test again before driving. Inspect seals for wear to prevent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.